the first step in your vehicle bridge assembly will be assembling your SD6 parts. So you receive two channel pieces here. You've got the SD6 L, that's the SD6 long, and then you've got the SD6 S, which is the shorter one. And what we're going to do is we're going to seam these together using some brackets, so that you have one piece that's a little over 10 feet long for the base of your bridge. So what you want to do, if you have a table, it's very helpful, or you can do this on the ground. You want to line up these pieces so that they're end to end. And the important thing here is that they are facing the same direction. So if you look at this, there's a hole on the inside of the SD6, and it's closer to the leg on this side. If you look down on this end, that same hole is closer on the same end. So these pieces, if you were to put a mirror right in the middle, they're identical both ways. And this is how you'll make sure you get your bracket in correctly. If your bracket's not fitting, check and make sure you have this part right. So what we're going to start with here, we're going to have our 1/2 inch anodized steel bolt or anodized aluminum bolts. I'm going to put them through this bracket. It's the SD6A. It's the short bar, and that goes through one side there with the holes. The other set of brackets are going to be paired up. So the SD6C is a spacer for the SD6B angle. So these bolts are going to drop through the SD6 here, and they're going to go into SD6C on the bottom. So I can turn this on its side so I can show you what it looks like here. So we got the spacer in there, and then the angle is going to fit over the same bolts. This is the SD6B going over the C. We can put nuts here on the back. As well as on the bolts in the SD6A over here. Alright, and then we'll come around and look on this side to get our last two bolts. These ones are going to come up through the bottom of the SD6B angle. Just like that. Put the nut on here. And the other one. These 6 bolts complete the seam for your SD6 parts. The next step is to tighten these up with a wrench to the full torque specifications.